Hello friends, welcome back to Resinween. It is googly eye time. Yes, so I have these coaster molds and I just realized I don't want to use these coaster molds because this is going to be the bottom. Oh, what a pickle am I in. Yeah, you know what? Pause. I'm going to get some different coaster molds. 1 second. Okay, as I was saying, I have a couple of coaster molds and I have a bag of googly eyes. So I want to pour a base layer in here, probably of black. I know I overuse black. Black is actually my favorite color, but, well, other than blue. But it's so that the eyes can pop. So I want to pour a base layer of black in these. Then I want to glue down some of these googly eyes, and then I want to top it off with a clear coat. Super simple and easy. I could have refilmed that intro, but that would not be authentic. And yes, I did sing to myself that my brain is not functioning while I was searching for some different coasters, but you know. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and get started on this. Super simple and easy. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay? All right, let's get started. Alright friends, so these are cured. I got my little googly eyes here. I don't want to hot glue them down. I want to glue them in some way that doesn't cause a lot of bubbles. But I don't think they're big enough for me to use my double-sided sticky tape, so I might use some of this, the mono liquid glue. I might use some of this. Just like a little dollop will do you know. So, that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to go ahead and strategically glue down a bunch of eyeballs, and then we will cover it with clear, and then we will be back for the demold. Okay? Alright, let's do it. Alright, friends. Disaster struck, as you can see. Yeah. So, I had some issues with some of the eyeballs popping up. And I kept coming downstairs to try and push them back down. Yeah. They still popped up. And also, yeah, I don't know. I probably should have used, like the tape to keep them down instead of that glue. I'm so upset because I was really excited for this one. This one didn't do so bad. I did have two pop up a little bit. As you can see right there, these two did pop up a little bit, but the rest stayed down. So, yeah. The eyes still move in there. Which is what I wanted. I wanted the eyes to be able to move in there, but I'm so disappointed that they popped up. Oh, especially with this one. You know, I mean, you could see how hard I worked to try and get them back in, but, yeah. This one was kind of a fail. Oh, sorry, my 7:30 alarm just went off. This one was kind of a fail, but I like the look of them. I do. I think they're so funny. They're a lot of fun to play with, you know. I'm just kind of disappointed. But that's on me to try and do differently next time. I was also kind of worried that the resin would infiltrate the eyeballs. But no, the eyeballs were made really well. So, yeah. Anyway, that's today's video. Kind of a half fail, I guess. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel. Helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.